Welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to make use of details, the details element in HTML. So how do you make of the details element in HTML? So let me show you how to use it. So let me start with details. Details. Now you see that already appear here. So the details is used to um let me say to make um some text to be visible or invisible depending on the user. The details is used to specify details that the user can open and close on demand. So that is what we use the details for. So now we are going to use it together with the summary element. So let me say summary. Let me put let me use lorem again. Lorem. Oh, sorry about that. Lorem. So now you see immediately I inserted my lorem here. You see before it was details, now it is now lorem. You understand? So let me quickly make use of paragraph tag. So let me generate lorem. Let me generate as much as I can lorem. Let me generate more lorem. Let me generate more lorem. Now you see this is it. Now this is where the details is. So you need to click this arrow to see all the text in the paragraph. Now you see all the text in the paragraph. So you can decide to add this. You can decide to hide all this as well. You can click to hide. Understand? You can click to open. So this is how we make use of the details element in HTML. So thank you.